This is problem number 7 for section 3.2. In this problem it says differentiate the function and find the slope of the tangent line at the given value of the independent variable. They want us to find the derivative with respect to t of this function, and that's going to be the limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. So we're going to go ahead and plug in x plus h into the function. We get x plus h cubed minus x plus h squared minus x cubed minus x squared. That's all over h. Oh, and I forgot the limit here, so I'm just going to say ditto. Equals limit as h approaches 0. Now we know x plus h squared is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. Right? If we write that out, x plus h times x plus h, this is what we get. So we know x plus h cubed is going to be x plus h squared, which is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared times another x plus h. So when we distribute that out, we end up with x cubed plus 3x squared h plus 3xh squared plus h cubed. And if you go through and you FOIL that out or multiply each term times these two, you end up with 6 terms that simplify to 4. So we can use this and this and plug those in. So we're going to end up with x cubed plus 3x squared h plus 3xh squared plus h cubed minus x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus x cubed plus x squared. So we plug this in for the x plus h cubed, we plug this in for the x plus h squared, and then we distribute the negative to each term. That's all over h. So limit as h approaches 0, let's distribute this negative term or negative sign. We get x cubed plus 3x squared h plus 3xh squared plus h cubed minus x squared minus 2xh minus h squared minus h cubed or x cubed plus x squared. Cancel the x squareds, cancel the x cubes, and nothing else can cancel. So we're going to end up with 3x squared. By the way, that's all over h. So we get the limit as h approaches 0 of 3x squared h plus 3xh squared plus h cubed minus 2xh minus h squared all over h, which when we simplify this, we factor out an h, we get h 3x squared plus 3xh plus h squared minus 2x minus h all over h. H's cancel, and we get limit as h approaches 0, and we'll end up with 3x squared plus 3xh plus h squared minus 2x minus h, and you'll see the h value will cancel when we plug in 0. This will cancel, leaving you with 3x squared minus 2x. This is the derivative for s. Now we probably need to replace this variable with t, so it's 3t squared minus 2t. That's the derivative once we replace the variable. Now we want to find, we want to find s prime, so we're going to say s prime of 4 Remember, this is the derivative, so we plug 4 into this, and we get 3, 4 squared, minus 2 times 4. 16 times 3, 48, minus 8 is 40. So the slope there is 40. So we have 3t squared minus 2t, which is the derivative, which is the expression for the slope, any point on this function. And at the point t, we get a slope of 40.